For the sidewalk, I created a profile using curve tools. So I'm going to use a linear curve tool. CV. Always open the settings so you can see. So I used a linear one, and close this window. And it's better to do that on the front, on any orthographic view. Top, actually right. Let's see. Front. So I can go ahead and like plan the sidewalk from here. I can turn on the X-ray. So it should start from here. And you can press the shift to hold for a straight line. And then I'm gonna make a small sort of separation divider, seam if you want to call it, and then the curb. I'll straighten these out. If you want, there's a nice trick. If you want all of these points to line up with that point, that's a nice kind of thing to know. You have to go to the Move tool settings. So notice there's like, and that's very good because a lot of times we want to line up many points to one specific point. Let's say this is the stationary one and we want to make these flatten and line up with that guy. You have to go to the orientation, let's see, not here. So move snap settings. It says here retain component spacing. Usually that's on. If I go and start moving these to the direction that I want to, and then go with my middle mouse and my V to snap it here, nothing I mean they snap to the point, but the average of the selection snaps. What if I want all of them to snap and also flatten at the same time? You want to go in and turn this off, select V, and that's a very nice thing to know. So I'm just gonna go ahead and shape this a little bit more. Close this window, go to object mode, and let's look at this. That's like really small here. I just need to like so I'm gonna commit to that shape, and I'm gonna do like I'm gonna create the path. So I'm gonna center the pivot of this shape and move it back. And I'm gonna go on the top view and create a path for the sidewalk. So this is the shape, and I'm gonna create another linear, maybe like something like this. And of course I'll have to tweak this and move this up and snap it on here. So it's very like the steps are very easy. You just have to go and select your first your profile, always selecting the profile first, then you select the path. So shift select the path, and you go to the surfaces area if you're in 2015. In 2016 everything is here, so in the modeling area. So you go to the surfaces and you go for an extrusion, and you go to the settings, and usually you see these settings and you have to go and turn on path, component, polygon, object, quad, general, all these things, and then you press apply, and then you get this initial shape, which is because our tessellation was really low. Select the shape. So this is a new object. This is a polygon shape. You can tell by looking at the components. You go to the NURBS tessellate and you enter. Let's start with the V because we want a sort of a resolution here. So the next video I'm gonna go ahead and like shape things